Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to update Apollo Group TV on FireStick. Step-by-step app update guide. Step 1. Open the Downloader app. From the FireStick home screen, launch Download. If you don't have Downloader installed, search for it in the Amazon App Store and install it first. Step 2. Download the latest Apollo Group TV version. In Downloader, select the URL or code entry box. Enter the latest Apollo Group TV download code or URL provided by Apollo Group TV. Select Go and wait for the APK file to download. Step 3. Install the update. Once the download finishes, the installation screen will appear. Select Install. FireStick will install the new version over the existing app, usually keeping your login information and settings intact. Step 4. Launch the updated app. Select Open after installation completes. Verify that Apollo Group TV launches normally. Check that any previous update notifications are on. Step 5. Delete the APK file. Optional. Return to downloader. Select Delete to remove the downloaded APK file. Confirm the deletion to free up FireStick storage space. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.